How to change the blades on a Huskee riding mower. Changing blades on a Huskee lawnmower is similar to changing blades on any riding mower that has standard right-turn threaded bolts. Virtually any person with solid do-it-yourself experience in the correct trench can do this task, but it will take getting onto the ground to accomplish. If you have bad knees or any health problems that make it difficult to kneel or lay on the ground, hand this task off to someone else. Things you will need: new blade, 9/16 or 5/8 inch wrench, scissors, car jack, gloves, wheel chocks. Pieces of wood or bricks work well for this. Make sure your Huskee riding mower is on level ground. Chock the wheels on the opposite side of where you are working by placing wheel chocks on both sides of the front and back wheels. Place the scissors jack beneath the lawn mowing deck, and jack it up until you have a good working space for your arms under the deck. Determine which wrench fits the bolt holding the blade onto the deck. The two standard sizes are 9/16 or 5/8, and in most cases one of those will work. Put on your gloves, and grasp one side of the blade, attach your wrench to the bolt, and begin turning in a counterclockwise direction. It may take some muscle to break the bolt free, so use your other hand holding the blade to steady it, and give the bolt a good crank. When the bolt begins to loosen, unscrew it all the way out. A washer will come off with it, so be sure to account for that. The blade may fall off the spindle at this point. If not, just tap it lightly with the wrench, and it will fall off. Reattach the new blade in the exact same way you took off the old blade, making sure the washer and bolt assembly go on together. Tighten firmly. Lower the jack, pull out the wheel chocks, and you are good to go. Tips: warnings. To help loosen the blade bolt, spray it with a penetrating lubricant found at any hardware or department store. Allow it to sit on the bolt for an hour or so, and if possible, tap the bolt with your wrench every 5 or 10 minutes to allow maximum penetration.